Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Switch to a creator or business profile if not already, because the professional dashboard ties to that setting. Once done, update the Instagram app to the latest release and log out, then back in to refresh features. Open your profile and tap the professional dashboard link in the header. If it's present, you're ready to remove it. Make sure you understand why. Instagram exposes tools for creators and businesses, so changing profile type affects access. Now proceed to Settings, Account, switch account type. This is the critical action. Choose Switch to Personal Account and confirm. This removes business-specific features that trigger the professional dashboard. Once switched, check your profile for removed contact buttons and promotions links. You may lose insights, saved labels, or ad tools. If you want to retain some analytics, export data before switching. Make sure to wait a few minutes and refresh the app to allow Instagram backend changes to propagate. Finish by refreshing the app. Clear the Instagram cache or reinstall it, then verify the professional dashboard is gone. If you still see it, disconnect any linked Facebook page in settings. That link can re-enable business features automatically. Once everything looks personal, confirm contact buttons and promotion options are removed. Troubleshooting tip. If changes don't apply, wait 24 hours and repeat the switch after clearing app data. Persistent issues may require unlinking Facebook or contacting Instagram support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.